heavy, where no one calls out your name. Every silence is a promise saying hold on through the pain. I've seen dreams fall to the ground, crushed under the weight of the world. But anyone who holds one moment longer has already changed their road. If my hands shake, it's not fear, it's strength about to rise. I stand through the fire. I stand when everything falls. I stand, my voice growing higher. I stand, I don't break, I don't crawl. I believe before I see. I stay, I breathe, I bleed. I stand in the storm. I stand. I don't ask for light to move on. I just choose not to give in. Every sky becomes a lesson. Every step is will within. When the world tries to make you smaller, remember how wide you are inside. You're still here, you're still breathing.